The doghouse is getting a fresh coat of paint today, and later I'll go over the receipt to show exactly how much it costs to build. Now, the color we're going with is a barn red exterior latex paint, and with the help of the dogs, it's going to be a one-of-a-kind mini barn house. First up, we're tackling the eaves. We're painting them a classic white to give a crisp, clean contrast to the rich barn red. And it's all about the details here, so ensuring we protect and beautify every nook and cranny is the most important thing. The white eaves will not only add a character, but also highlight the architectural details of the doghouse, and with those fully painted, it's time for the main event. With our roller loaded with that beautiful barn red, we're bringing the walls to life. This color is not only vibrant, standing out like a pink jacket on the wall, but painting with exterior latex also means it's durable and ready to withstand whatever weather throws at it. And since 2 coats is better than 1, after going through it with a second coat, I figured it's the perfect time as it dries to go over just how much this doghouse costs to build. Pinning down an exact figure is challenging because a lot of the material we had at the house, but based off the current prices and what I would have bought, I've calculated the total to be just over $500, which is quite steep for a doghouse, but considering the fact that it's truly one of a kind, I'll say it was a well worth investment. And as we added the final touches to the doghouse with the white accents, I just want to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of you who have been watching the series. It's with your support and encouragement that this build was even possible. So from my dogs and me to you, thank you.